this is my skincare routine, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna spread my water on the face.
Benefits of having an esthetician as a mom? Feels so good! Gotta get down the neck. You got like the perfect little hands for this. Okay, something I talk about a lot on my channel is my gratitude practice. I really lean into gratitude when I'm in a psoriatic arthritis flare like I am right now, and especially on days where I know Doug won't be home to play with Liv so that my body can take a break. I do check-ins often throughout the day because when I'm in a lot of pain, it's easy to get overwhelmed quickly, have little to no patience, or honestly, you guys, just zone out. When I stay focused on all the good things in my day and I come back to my intention and how I want to be or act, it brings me to the present, and it's been a very helpful tool, especially when Doug is away. After I'm done with my gratitude practice, I take 10 to 15 minutes to read my book. Discover Your Dharma is my book of the month that I'm reading. It is so good, you guys. I highly recommend. And then it's time for bed because I prioritize at least 8 hours of sleep, especially when I'm in a flare. Good morning, guys. My internal clock just wakes me up around 5, but I allowed myself to sleep in, and it is almost 6:20. You can hear the birds chirping out my window. Liv is still sleeping. Good morning, Phoebe. Normally, when Doug is gone for the weekend, I tend to step into my hypermasculine and I become very taskmaster so that I can prioritize and get all of the things done. My goal for this weekend was just to really step into my feminine, be present with Liv, and have so much fun. And part of that is just allowing myself to sleep in and have a slow, intentional morning. Since being in this psoriatic arthritis flare, I've been focusing on my gratitude practice and doing meditation every single morning. And so I decided to take this opportunity of Liv still sleeping and the 5 to 10 minutes it takes my coffee to percolate to just sit in gratitude and ask myself, what do I really need today? It's so important for me to have a morning routine every day, but especially on days when it's just going to be me and Liv. I love to start my mornings with coffee and collagen protein. It just sets me up for success throughout the day. I also wanted to make sure to focus on gratitude this morning and set an intention for the day. When I'm home alone with just Liv, I tend to fall into my masculine so much and I become taskmaster. And this weekend, I really just wanted to focus on having fun and having fun with Liv, especially when I'm in a psoriatic arthritis flare and I'm in pain. It tends to be hard for me to do that, so writing it down and setting my intention was very helpful for this weekend. Also, just making sure that I have some quiet alone time was really good for me.
Corny.
What's her name?
Corny.
Unicorny. Oh, you are so beautiful. Where did you come from, Unicorny?
I came from the fair.
The fair.
And I heard that Nova beat Mom and Dad twice.
Twice? She did beat Mom and Dad twice. Should we read some books? As soon as Liv wakes up, we always FaceTime with Doug, just so that we get some dad time in the morning. And then it's time to read books. Unicorns come out to play. They have 3 rules they must obey. Unicorn rules. Rule number 1. Show off your horn. Be proud to be a unicorn. Now it's time for breakfast and a dance party. Something I think is really helpful as a mom is prioritizing fun for me as well as fun for my daughter. Because when I fill up my cup, it allows me to give to her more. And spending time outside, trimming the roses and playing with the flowers and listening to her giggle and play while she plays with Phoebe, it just makes my heart happy, and it's so good for all of us. So we spent a few hours just outside playing around before we decided to go out into the world and do other fun things together. While we were running errands, we decided to stop at Bath & Body Works just to get some new wallflowers, and we were so excited to see that they have all their pumpkins and Halloween stuff on. Your little black kitty! She's so cute. Almost as cute as you, my little kitty corn. I know. The skull is really cool. Okay, yeah.
Going like this. It's cheesing.
It is cheesing, huh?
Yeah, I do it.
Something I've been doing different in this flare is that I've continued to move my body. I just choose to do 30 minutes, and that tends to be my max. But today I did a really great leg day, and it felt so good. And it always is so good for my mental health as much as it is for my physical health. When I take the time and move my body, it's so good for me. So no matter where you're at with your body, I urge you to do the same. Just listen to your body and find what movement works for you. We ended the day by playing at the pool and then doing a fun movie night together. And honestly, we just laughed and enjoyed each other's company all weekend. And it was so nice, you guys. This was our first movie night we've ever done together. And it was magical, just snuggled up on the couch with Liv and the dogs. Hey you guys, I'm checking back in. It's actually been a couple weeks since I filmed my weekend with Liv. It's just been a crazy month, but that's okay. So I just wanted to do our quick little August check-in. Not really doing anything new. I am really just working on mindset this month, working on getting into the new year, showing up as my next level self, really embodying what my next level self really looks like and what I want her to look like, and envisioning what I want her to look like and working my way to that now, and really just working on building my business. So my goal is to really move into working with women and helping people feel better and help reduce inflammation levels and fall in love with their bodies and learn to listen to your body. And so I've just been doing a lot of work on me and doing work on my programs so that I can put that stuff out for you guys for the rest of the year. And honestly, that has been taking up all of my time. Liv started Tiny Tots again, and so I'm getting a little bit more time to do some, you know, some work behind the scenes stuff. Yeah, I actually just filmed a really fun haul for you guys, so stay tuned. It's coming for you next week. I'm so sorry I missed our upload last week. It's just been a busy week this week, and so I've been really in my hyper masculine recently of like just put my head down and get all the work done, and I'm trying to remember to embrace my feminine and come back to being creative and being present, being in the moment, really living in the moment and being happy and present where I am right now. I haven't started any new books this month. I am writing a book, which is taking a lot of time as well. And so I'm actually reading a book on how to write and publish your own book, which is really fun. But I'm not reading any new self-help books this month. I still have my Discover Your Dharma by Sahara Rose. I've started following Sahara Rose on Instagram. She is beautiful. I got her embodiment practice. I've been working back through my Abundant and Ambitious modules. If you guys have been following along, I took a business course this year, and so I only have a couple weeks left of my access to that. So I've been really trying to get as much as I can out of that course just because it's so much good information. And so I'm basically taking the course again, just solo, and going back through all of our modules. And so just been a lot of behind the scenes busy work is really what's going on this month, and that's okay. I've got so much fun fall content for you guys coming up, but before you guys leave, before you guys click out of this video, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm also gonna go put a poll up on my Instagram. I am CharleneTown_ on Instagram. Go follow me over there for more day-to-day stuff. But we are going to Maui in September, and so my thought process is like I've got a fun, you know, Maui vlog and packing for Maui and, you know, traveling to Maui, showing you the condo, you know, day in the life over there, like doing some fun content while I'm in Maui, which I really want to do and give to you guys. But it's also fall at the end of September. Do you guys care? Like, do you guys want to see a fun fall vlog in between my uploads of Maui summery stuff? Or would you guys rather all the summer content and then switch off and then go to fall in October? Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are just here for all the fun fall content, if you guys are ready to see me and Liv shopping for pumpkins and decorating the house. Let me know in the comments down below because I want to make sure to film what you guys are really wanting to see. I know people are starting to like want ideas for decorating your houses for fall and everything, and people have been uploading fall videos for weeks now, and it's August. You guys, it's August. It's still summertime. So let me know if you guys are ready for the fun fall stuff, and I'll just mix the Maui stuff in between it. Let me know. What are you guys looking for? What do you guys want? Because I am here for you. That's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed my morning routine by myself. Me and Liv have been, you know, getting our mornings together, and like I said, I get really stuck in my hyper masculine of being a taskmaster when it's just me and Liv because, you know, I gotta make sure all the things get done. And so my focus this time around was really just to have fun, and I think we achieved that. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope that it just brings some light and love to your day because I know how hard living with chronic illness is, and I see you. I was in a flare in that video, so, you know, really focusing on coming back to gratitude, doing gratitude morning and night has been really helpful for me. It's very helpful for me to stay grounded and stay positive when I'm in a flare. So I am out of my flare finally. Hallelujah. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know I've been working out every day, and my body is feeling good. I'm recovering. It's wonderful, and I absolutely love it, and I feel so grateful for that. Let me know what you guys are looking for content-wise. If you guys care if Maui vlogs and stuff are sprinkled in with fall stuff, does that bother you? Would you rather all the summer content and then fall content hit hard in October? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.